guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Magpie beauty haul, and I'm really excited to unbox this because I have been looking at these since last year, and it was funny. So I don't know if you guys follow Sharon or Talia already. I guess the brand that they work with actually just sent them these glitters, and I had just ordered them and I saw that they got them and that they are still beautiful after a year, and I just thought that was hilarious. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. And it made me realize I made the right decision because I still like them a year later. They were more expensive to buy They were more expensive to buy individually, and so I remember this like pack was sold out forever. Okay, and I am so excited. Okay, let me get a little tray thing. First up we have is Deborah. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty that is. If you guys know me, I like all the different shards. That's like, I like unique glitters. I don't mind normal glitter by any stretch of the imagination at all. However, I love, love, love shards type glitter. This is Linda. So this one looks like it has a little bit of yellow undertone in some of them. So pretty. Next up we have is Pamela. I feel like I need this on my nails right now. All right, then we have Marjorie, which is this nice orangey coral. All right, next up is Monica. Oh yeah, totally up my alley. This screams to do some mermaid nails. Next up we have Jillian. Woo! A little bit of green undertones in there. Next up we have Irene, which is this really pretty green. And last but not least, we have Denise, which is your yellow. All right, and that is all the colors. All right, so the glitter that I picked up from all of the glitters mixing together, I'm actually going to put them on my nails. So I was like, why not? So I'm just taking a gelish foundation, and I am going to grab a very, very thin layer. I'm not going to bulk this up. I'm just going to essentially pat it in to this layer. Hello?
What you doing, baby?
I'm upstairs. What are you doing?
No. What are you doing?
My nails.
Why?
Because I had to fix them. So I'm just taking a brush here, and I'm going to just randomly put it on. You know what? I like this too much. This is beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. So I'm taking my hand and I'm just flattening it and kind of getting anything that I feel like is going to hang over off. So I hope you can see how flat that is. I'm feeling inspired and I feel like I should keep going. All right, so I grabbed these two Apres inks. They're 28 and 30. I have not done anything on the nail, so they're still probably a little sticky. Taking that blending fluid and just moving it around. I want the glitter to really shine through. All right, I'm gonna take 25, which is the pink, I think, in this set. I think this is the pastel set. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm gonna actually kind of go over the green. I'm not feeling the green. Obviously, use a matte top coat if you want to use inks the correct way, but I think I'm going to add some white ink on top of all this, so it's kind of like a marble. But I wanted to get some color down, I think. All right, I actually went ahead and applied a matte top coat, but I forgot to record it. So I'm gonna grab the white. All right, I'm just going to, again, take a very, very small amount of this gelish foundation, and I'm going to put a little bit more of the flakes on, but not a lot, because I still want it to be layered. I just do want some on top. Now we're gonna top coat it. All right, here is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Little did I know every single glitter apparently would look bomb together. So that's good to know if I ever do this again and it spills everywhere. So all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial and haul. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.